Alright, I got a question for y'all. Am I ratchet?
Yes. No. Don't lie like that.
Don't lie, you can be for real. Am I ratchet?
For a teacher, yeah.
What you mean I'm ratchet for a teacher? No, am I a ratchet person? I'm ghetto, baby. Ooh, not too much. Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. What's up? Okay. Technically this is gonna go up tomorrow, but I'm just gonna mash 2 days together. So this is a vlog. Today is ugly sweater day. Tomorrow is pajama day. I'm trying to hurry up for the kids come in. They come in like 2 minutes. I just set the stuff down. I'm gonna set that up. Since we are on like a block schedule, we have an A day and a B day. I decided to just give a party to both of my kids because I only have 22 kids in total. So, I mean, I might as well. And so, like, literally my smallest class is 2 kids. My first block, I don't have many kids, is what I'm trying to say. I'm going to set up, I need to go get my attendance sheet. We're gonna watch Home Alone today. But y'all, I'm gonna ask all my kids if they think I'm ratchet. Cause I did the assumptions video, and if you haven't watched it, you should go watch it. I think it's gonna be day 17 of Vlogmas. I wanna see what they think. If they think I'm ratchet or not. Which I know what the answer gonna be. Got some thank you cards because I'm about to write my janitor a Merry Christmas note and leave him some money in there. We got some dip. When I dip, you dip, we dip. But they was begging me to buy some Oreos, so I got them some Oreos and some Chips Ahoy. I wanted to do some Rotel dip, but you know the coronavirus, I don't need nobody going home saying that Miss Greenwood got them sick, so real quick, this is the little setup. Progress reports today. Good morning. Oh, child, let me be nosy. Wow. Y'all have twins in my class, and I didn't even know there was twins. Where your brother at? Where your brother? He came to school today? Get out. Do y'all think I'm ratchet? Would you consider me as ratchet?
No. Yes. No. You're a ratchet. You're a bougie ratchet. You're the type of person that what you call it?
Alright, but anyway, answer the question.
Yes, you is ratchet and bougie. You ratchet bougie.
How?
Ratchet. Cause don't act like we don't got your TikTok. You first of all class. This was trying to sing on TikTok.
Upper class.
Yeah, you think upper. But you ain't bougie than over there. Over there.
How am I bougie?
Not bougie. You just.
What do I do?
Well, how am I supposed to do this? She not bougie all the time. She trying to talk properly. Yeah, talk properly like you got it all. And then upper class, you act like you. And then when you get mad, you be like.
How do I act like I'm upper class?
J Mark, sit your little legs down.
Yeah. That's how I'm ratchet.
Yeah.
You know what she sound like that?
Then you was practicing on TikTok how you should be mean or nice.
Who how I could be what?
How you should be mean or nice. Nice too nice. Nice too mean.
That was a joke. Okay, let me see who computer can we use for the movie. Wait, I don't think we've been playing like that. We ain't been playing like that the whole time.
Damn, we play on the phone.
No.
Who turned it? Mine.
Okay. Jamie, I got a question for you. Do you think I'm ratchet? You don't? Okay. You think I'm bougie? What you think, Dan? I'm normal? Okay. I only got one class this block. I mean, not one class. Obviously only got one class. I only got one student this block. Oh, nothing. I'm talking to myself. Okay, here's my opinion on the Ratchet situation. Let me, hold on a second. Put y'all up. Okay, so my opinion, do I think that I'm ratchet? Yes. Like, yes. But I also think that, well, it's not necessarily what I think, but I know that, no, why I say no so country like this? When I teach how I talk. Like, I'm not gonna be like, could you please sit down in your seats and do your work? Sit down, what is you doing, baby? You're doing too much. You running out. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna be like, oh, you forgot your lunch money? Like, you can just, I don't know what to tell you. You can run back to the class. Baby, you too big. What you mean? You too big to be forgetting stuff. You in 8th grade. What are you doing? And when they ask me like personal information, well, I don't really think it's appropriate for me to share that kind of information with you. Baby, you in my business. Don't do that. Don't do that. And they get it. Like, my kids are just like me. If you get what I'm saying. They're like me. So, we can relate in a lot in that aspect. Now, if I was at an all-white school, and because I did think about going back to the school I taught at, which is mostly white kids. I mean, not taught at, but the school I graduated from, which is mostly white kids. And I think it's just cultural appropriation. Like, you know, actually, I think I would be the same. I think it would be take some used to me being this way, you know, especially them catching on with like certain lingo. Ow! But I would be the same. Like, I'm me. This is what y'all get. You know what I'm saying? I'm the teacher who, I don't really, how can I put it? Like, I'm not gonna change who I am. You still gonna get the same information, and you're gonna do better than these kids who got, you know, proper teachers. Yeah, I don't wrong for you. You know what I'm saying? As long as you scoring advanced, doing good on your test, passing my class, doing what you gotta do, I don't know. Baby, be yourself. And if you're out there watching this, because I know before I became a teacher, I watched a lot of first-year teacher vlogs, or like a lot of teacher vlogs, period. And they were all the same to me. Like, when I watched them, they were all like the same. Like, little timid people who like couldn't be themselves. And or like people who were like soft-spoken or extremely nice, or I don't know the adjectives for what I'm trying to say, but hopefully you catch my drift. And I'm like, I ain't nothing like that. So, and I even typed up, you know, black teachers, because I'm a black teacher, and I'm a black teacher to black kids on purpose. So I tried to you know, find other teachers like me who I could relate to. I couldn't find nobody on YouTube I could relate to. None. So I was like, you know, actually one. Hey there.
You might have quiet today.
Guess I go ahead and give you a little Christmas gift, since you might know you don't come to work often.
Who don't come to work?
You?
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. But like I was saying, I looked on here and I couldn't find nobody. The only person that was remotely close to what I am or how I am was Jew Gray. I don't know if y'all know her. She's from New Orleans. She's a teacher, YouTuber. And it's like she's just herself. Like, she goes out and she drinks, she vlogs. And I'm not saying that you have to like drink and vlog, but at the same time, as long as you're not, I try to watch my mouth because I do curse a lot, so I try not to curse in my vlog because I know some of my students have found my channel. But as far as the drinking and doing, like drinking, what else? Like going to clubs. I'm not saying be on the couch. I'm not saying like going there standing on the couch and throwing signs in the club. But you know what I'm saying? Just vlogging. You know, we're of age. You know, we can do that thing. I'm not saying like get blackout drunk and vlog it, but you want to take a little sip on your channel, baby, do that. That's me. I'm me. So I decided to be there for the young girls who are like me. Leave it a ratchet, but professional when needed. I'm very young and goofy and funny. I play a lot, I prank a lot, but when it's time to get work done, we get work done. So yeah, I'm here for those type of people. But yeah, y'all, this I'm gonna actually, I have one more class today. I'm on planning now. It's 11:16. I don't have my next class to 1:12. So when that class come in, I'm asking them if I'm Ratchet, and I'm gonna give them some their little not candy, but snacks and things, and we're gonna watch a movie. I'm so sick of watching Home Alone. We watched the first period, second period. We might watch The Grinch.
Yeah, she records.
It's from Micaiah. It's kind of hard.
I could take one.
Ah. You need some help?
No.
What kind of tape you got? Some duct tape?
Okay.
She pushed your 440.
We have a
Mug.
I have a mug, thank you, from Micaiah, favorite student.
What?
That's what she said.
Oh, what I say?
And then I have some eye patches for when I sleep.
Well, I need one though.
And a calendar and some hand sanitizer and some
Wait, there's a hand sanitizer.
Thank you.
Thank you, Micaiah.
You look.
So sweet. Get away. Okay, so we're gonna watch a movie today, and I brought y'all real quick.
You were my favorite teacher.
You did.
I told Mom.
You bring other teachers some or no, just me?
Yes, I was gonna bring some teachers some, but you got.
I got the video. Who want me to airdrop it? Want me to airdrop it to you?
I'm crying. Okay, do y'all think I'm Ratchet?
No.
No. What are you talking about?
You can be honest, like, am I Ratchet?
No.
How about bougie? Do y'all think I'm bougie?
No.
I'm just, what am I? How would you describe me?
My name is Greenwood, favorite teacher. Yeah.
Period.
Bro, this is the funnest teacher ever, bro. Look at this. Man, look at him.
I hit it from the back, I put her hair, fuck up her closer. Go. Rock, yeah, bitch with that shit, come on, yeah, bitch with that shit, come on. Come and say that.
We're playing Uno, and he thought he was finna cheat. Y'all thought that he was gonna put the card down.
What's it?
I don't play about Uno, baby, period.
Oh! Let's go!
Oh, shit.
Don't move back. Don't move back. Don't move back.
You knew he didn't have a...
Come on, give me.
Oh, yes. You want some cards.
Come on.
He want some cards.
I'm done. Once you win, it's over with. I'm not gonna play. So everybody get out. Baby, be here all night. I want to play you one-on-one. Let's go, because I'm sick of you.
Okay.
Good morning, y'all. It's Friday, December the 18th, I think. I believe. Got my fireplace going. It is pajama day. Got my little lights on. The food is still over there. Yeah, today is pajama day. Whew. And I feel like I'm just so happy because I'm so, like, comfortable. Y'all, if you know, you know. But let me show y'all the fit real quick. Let me show you the fit. Bro. I'm about to make some TikToks. If you don't follow me on TikTok, what you doing? What is you doing if you don't follow me? I'm about to watch a little bit of YouTube, edit this video. I was gonna put it in grades, but I'm gonna do that Monday. So, watch me a little bit of YouTube till the kids come. And as we know, I'm asking my kids, you know, do you think I'm Ratchet? I feel like it's about half and half right now. Half of them think I am, half of them think I'm not. So, today I have about 11 students total all day. So, I'm gonna ask them, and I know half of them probably not gonna come. So, I'll try my best to get their response. It's hot. I turned my heat on. I don't know what I did that for. It's hot up in here. Okay, now I feel a little bad. Okay, so let me explain to y'all how it works. Like, in our school, we got 2 hallways, basically. So we have the 6th and 7th graders on the hallway, and then we have mainly the 8th graders on the hallway I'm on. I'm on the 8th grade hallway because, you know, I teach 8th graders, but I teach 6th and 7th grade too. But anyways, I'm on the 8th grade hallway. So we have our own janitor. He only does the 8th grade hallway. And then we have another janitor, and she only does the 6th and 7th grade hallway. You know, of course, I got my janitor something. I gave him his, you saw me in the last clip. But I didn't get her anything because I rarely see her. Like I really don't ever see her because I don't go in that hallway at all, except to the library. But I don't really see her. But she bought me a little Christmas thing, and I feel so bad. I should have got her something. I truly didn't think about it. Like I know for custodian day, I'm gonna do something for her. Monday we come to school regular 7 to 3. Tuesday's a 60% day, which is like we get off at like 11:45, 12 o'clock, I guess. And we can stay at home that day. Period. Okay, I got a question for y'all.
What's up?
We're gonna watch a movie. We're gonna probably watch Home Alone.
We watched it yesterday.
2.
I like Secret Life of, what is it, Life of Pets or Pets 2?
Secret Life of Pets.
But I'm gonna fix y'all something
I
to
have
eat.
1 quarter. All of them be on the computer today. Yeah.
I have a question for y'all. And I want y'all to be 100%. I want y'all to be, what you call it?
100%.
I want you to be 100.
My sister gonna be here in January.
Okay, do y'all think I'm ratchet?
Yeah.
No.
You think so?
Yeah, you
Why?
ratchet because the way you walk.
What?
You talking the way how you look?
No, am I a ratchet person?
You act like
Racist
you
or ratchet?
ghetto.
No.
I'm ghetto, baby. Ooh, not too much.
She didn't look at
Okay.
Not too much, you just basically.
See, look at that. You just gave yourself a baby.
So I'm ghetto to y'all.
No.
Well, not ghetto. I don't like the word ghetto. I'm ratchet.
Ghetto people only eat onion dip. Who eat onion dip? I eat it, but I don't care.
That's French, by the way.
French dip.
Thank you very much.
That was onion dip.
So
You are ghetto. All you eat is hot Cheetos.
that makes me ghetto
And
because
this
I
y'all, look, people who eat hot Cheetos like got bad hygiene. Your hygiene good, so you're not ghetto, but you ghetto with the range.
okay. Whatever that means. Alright, so when y'all come over here, you can get you a juice and you can choose if you want chips and dip or just some hot chips. You can get dip with hot chips too, if you want, I guess. And then Oreos or chocolate chip cookies. So y'all can come on. And then I'm gonna put the movie on. I'm gonna probably find something.
The purple gone bag. Got that purple bag?
You want some cheese with it? With them right there. You got me ghetto, baby. What they do that at?
You got your alcohol phone?
No. I have an iPad for you.
We can I use it?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Hold on.
Alright, what movie do y'all wanna watch?
You're my granddad died.
You said what? Your money was?
I'll have your gift come back to school.
Oh, okay. Y'all, one of my students bought me in his bag. He bought me some soap and it smells like heaven. So what you get her? What you get her? A necklace with a what? A ring. You got her a ring? Who bought that? Who so what'd you tell her when you gave it to her? Why my hair look like that? You ain't say Merry Christmas, no, you just gave, you said, huh?
I'm gonna tell her Merry Christmas though. Christmas morning.
What you just said here?
No, I was saying bye because we watched the movie yesterday.
Yeah, one of my students just said if I'm still living.
But yeah, if you still live when I get married, I want you to
Come kill me in security.
But girl, why would you say that
Come
if I'm still
security.
living? You don't think I'm gonna be living?
Because you're going to be old.
We grew
Come kill me in security.
No, I'm not.
this.
How many? Okay, let's say you get married in about 20 years. I'll be young still.
Yeah, she'll be in her.
How old do you think I am?
You look 40.
25. No, 23 or 25.
He playing.
Am I around your age? 23, 25.
I'm
Like not get some of them Doritos.
No, you can't get. But don't put your face in this camera.
I'm not.
Girl, if I still be living, what does you mean?
Cause like, what
I'm a
if you
big
be dead?
kid.
Move.
I got my face covered.
What if I be dead because I'm be old?
Anything can happen.
So you're trying to tell me, you think your mama gonna be at your wedding? Your mama older than me. way older than me.
Oh, no.
She's still only living, but you.
I'm not older than your mama, baby. So what is you
You
saying?
probably gonna be moving.
You older than my
somewhere.
mama.
Let me admire what age.
Your mama is way older than me. So you think she gonna be alive and I'm not?
Probably.
Let me
Nope.
admire what age.
But if you be
My phone
dead
finna
or
die.
old or something like that,
My-
I want you to sing my wedding. Cause you can sing.
My phone just died.
Okay,
don't
thank
care.
you. But I rebuke that in the name of Jesus. I'm gonna be alive, healthy, and well. And if I still, wow. I want y'all to.
want her to die or something.
Lord, I want that baby.
Ooh.
When I
Get you supply.
when I get married, I'm gonna let all y'all come to my wedding.
Okay.
I'm gonna have a
What you
student
gonna do about me
section.
and my?
Can
Me
I
and
be?
Mike?
Can I be a little flower girl?
You are too big to be a flower girl.
Boy,
You're like too old to be a flower girl.
boy, they ain't gonna know 'cause by my height.
You can work at the reception though. You can like help fix plates or
I
something.
get one of them grape juices. Thanks for the grape
No, you
juice.
cannot. Y'all ain't my only class, baby. I got other classes today.
How many more class you got?
2.
Let me get one more little cookie. Get one. What if I tell you?
Well, tell them the Dorito.
I'm getting my first car at age
59.
17.
Cause you ain't gonna be on 4.
How you gonna get her car before you buy your own car?
I ain't even don't worry about that. I got somebody to put it.
He said, don't worry
You
about that.
gonna sell them fake chains from City Trade and stuff like that. So I saw.
Why y'all don't trust me?
Because last time you gonna come out. Wait, what she say last time?
No,
Brown.
I can't bring us some brown.
Yeah, brown.
I can't let that down.
I got a question for y'all though, for
What you say
real.
no shoes I got?
Uno.
I got my Christmas
We
present.
can play
earlier.
Uno later.
I'm getting
I got my Christmas present last
Let's see
night.
what you get.
Oh, I like those.
I'm getting some green ones like that.
Then I got
Cause
these
I'm
flip
tired of
flops.
seeing you wearing them flip
I'm
flops.
gonna have me some more 38, baby, no kill.
You got some more flip flops.
I got a question. Do y'all think I'm ratchet?
No, that's true.
Do y'all think I'm ratchet as a person? You can be honest.
No.
No, you cool.
Yeah, I wanna know. If not, I'm gonna go tell her, hey, he really don't know how y'all started dating, so I think you need to find a new man who can keep up with the details.
She started talking about Instagram, you know what I'm saying? I'm glad though.
Okay. Start talking on Instagram. You messaged her first?
No.
She messaged you first?
No, we were kind of friends at first. Well, not friends.
You know, like them little posts that people be sharing, like if you don't share this in 2026 and all that,
Okay, you.
and all that.
You sent it to
I'm
me?
like this stuff. I was like, this so fake. It's like she sent the laughing emoji and all that.
What you getting her?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Well, just guess.
A necklace.
A heart shaped
It's something better than that.
A ring. You buying her a ring?
I'm going to.
I'm a kid. You buying her a ring?
We post, you know.
So how's the relationship going?
Straight.
Bad.
Straight.
Bad.
But
So when she go off to high school next year, what you gonna do?
Yeah.
we can't talk about it.
I'm
We
asking.
gonna meet her, you know what I'm saying?
How you know that? She probably be with another person and you don't know nothing about it.
If it be like that, if I find out, I ain't gonna say nothing. See, this I ain't gonna say
You
nothing.
ain't gonna say something.
I'm gonna just follow the, you know, I'm gonna be like, following the leader, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get that. Alright, she with somebody else, and she ain't, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do the same thing, you know what I'm saying? That's how I go, I'm glad. People be
No, you
like,
ain't gonna do that.
Don't embarrass yourself. Don't
You ain't gonna do that. You'll be in the
Don't
bed.
do
Look,
this.
he'll be in the bed
Just
like
do the
this.
same thing that he doing.
Look, he'll be in the bed like this.
Common sensitivity.
You gonna cry?
Oh, God, I ain't gonna cry.
Yes, he is.
Oh, God. I ain't-
You gonna cry?
Oh, God.
It's okay.
Put it on something.
You're gonna cry.
Put it on
It's
something.
okay to cry. It's okay.
You know who's trying to
Miss
cry.
Greenwood, I'm not gonna cry.
You know who's trying to cry, baby.
Don't cheat, bag. Why not just break up with her?
He
Nah.
don't-
Cause that's gonna be embarrassing for people. You got cheating on me.
Okay, last block of the day, y'all. One more block, and then I'm a free woman. I'm gonna set y'all up. My 8th grade's gonna come in. I noticed they're gonna notice this here, and they'll ask questions. But hey, oh well. One more freaking block, then I'm free. I hope y'all are having a great day. This is gonna go up on Saturday. You can come in. So yeah, always remember to take it easy and love yours. But I'm gonna do this last thing with my last class and ask them if I'm ratchet. Do you think I'm ratchet? Be honest. Do you think I'm ratchet? Okay. Alright, I got a question for y'all. Am I ratchet?
Yes.
No. Don't lie like that.
Don't lie, you can be for real. Am I
For
ratchet?
a teacher, yeah.
What you mean I'm ratchet for a teacher?
Like most teachers are like me posting on
You a cool ratchet, though.
March.
Scoop bag, why y'all?
I was doing that way.
Scoop bag.
But most teachers, like me March, she cool.
No, do not get into my thing.
Like me March, she cool and all, but like she ain't like
She crazy.
like she ain't on social media.
You know she
and stuff.
50.
So I'm ratchet because I'm on social media?
No, it's like
Nah, you a
you
different
act
breed,
like
right?
you act like a 20
You act like one of us, so
Like
that's what
teenage.
ratchet means. Like, you hip to the new age, you feel what I'm saying? That's all that means. You act like us.
What you doing?
Start it back at the beginning.
I was going up to where we was in her class.
We want to
Okay.
You want to know what I got my girlfriend for a birthday?
birthday?
I mean, for Christmas.